We have some properties in CSS that are called shorthand properties. This is because you can use shorthand properties to set several values in a single line. For example, we have background color, background image, background position, repeat, attachment. All these different values of background can be set on one line because background is one of CSS shorthand properties. Now, let's look at how this will look in a shorthand form. It is just one line, and then you set the values separated by space, and CSS identifies what each value is representing. So, for example, the first one represents the color, then you have the URL, then you have the position, then you have the repeat, and then the background attachment. So just in case you see a property with multiple values in a line, that is most likely a shorthand property.